There is a ghost haunting the camera industry. It's a phantom that hasn't been seen in years, yet its name is whispered in every street photography forum and every dark corner of the internet where purists gather. That name is the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. For nearly half a decade, the X-Pro line has been sitting in a state of suspended animation. While the X-T5 soared, the X-H2 dominated video, and the X106 became a global viral sensation that literally broke the supply chain, the X-Pro sat in the shadows. But the silence is finally about to be broken. According to the deepest leaks coming out of Tokyo. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The X-Pro 4 is not just coming, it is being redesigned to be the most provocative, most controversial, and most addictive camera Fujifilm has ever released. If you are a photographer who feels like modern cameras have lost their soul, if you are tired of the black plastic slab aesthetic that every other brand is pushing, then you need to stop everything. This is the story of the camera that is about to bring the feeling back to photography. The X-Pro series has always been for the outsiders. It was never meant to be the best all-rounder. It was designed for the person who wants to feel the click of the shutter in their bones, the person who wants to look through a glass window and see the world exactly as it is before they capture it. With the X-Pro 4, Fujifilm is leaning into that analog soul philosophy harder than ever before. We are looking at a radical evolution of the Rangefinder design. The rumors suggest that the titanium top and bottom plates are returning, but with a new Duratect coating that is even more scratch-resistant than what we saw on the X-Pro 3. But the real magic, the thing that is going to make people stop scrolling and start listening, is the sensor. The X-Pro 4 is rumored to be the first X-series camera to utilize a specialized 40-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor that has been specifically tuned for film simulation priority. This isn't just about raw resolution. Fujifilm has reportedly developed a new hardware-level grain engine that mimics the physical structure of silver halide crystals. We aren't talking about a digital filter you slap on in Lightroom. We're talking about a sensor that interacts with light in a way that produces organic, non-linear grain patterns directly in the raw file. This is the holy grail for film lovers. This is the device that finally makes the digital versus film debate irrelevant, because it gives you the best of both worlds without the $30 roll processing fees. But let's talk about the controversy. The X-Pro 3 famously hid the LCD screen, forcing you to use the viewfinder. It was a move that polarized the community. Some loved the focus it brought, others hated the friction. For the X-Pro 4, Fujifilm is rumored to be taking a third way. Imagine a modular, hidden hybrid screen. It's a high-resolution e-ink display on the back for your settings and film simulation info, giving you that box-end look, but it's magnetically detachable or flips in a way that feels mechanical rather than electronic. They are trying to remove the distraction of the screen life, while still giving professionals the tools they need for difficult angles. This is about staying in the moment. And for a street photographer in the busy intersections of New York or Los Angeles, that split-second difference between looking at a screen and looking at your subject is the difference between a masterpiece and a missed shot. Now, we have to talk about the Hybrid Viewfinder 3.0. This has always been the crown jewel of the X-Pro line. The rumors suggest a massive jump in the OV